Hi there and welcome to another episode of my Ivan's vlog, Everything About Balls. In this video I'm gonna do another unboxing, but this time I'm going to unbox my Parrot Teleprompter V2 from Padcaster. So let's get to it! Yes, I know, another unboxing video, but this one is also definitely worth it. Like I have mentioned in one of my videos that my studio needed some serious upgrading, I decided to buy some stuff to achieve this. In the previous episode I did an unboxing of my Bresser BR2246B daylight set, and you can find the link in the description below. Because I used the Parrot Teleprompter app already on my smartphone for my previous videos, it was also time to buy the Parrot Teleprompter V2 itself. I used to place my smartphone on top of the lens, but this was not the ideal place, so that's also why I decided to buy a real teleprompter. And I bought this teleprompter online at B&H Photo Video, and that for only $99. So including taxes, shipping and duties, the total amount of money that I had to pay was just shy of $150. Because I live in Belgium, I had some advantage with euro being the currency here. It was only 137 euro in total. As you can see in this video, I'm using the Parrot Teleprompter V2 already in this video. With the Parrot Teleprompter app you can adjust the speed if it's a little bit too fast, but you can also do this by using the remote that was also included in the package. And so now it's time to do the unboxing itself. As you can see, my new teleprompter came in a small cardboard box. It was a little bit dented but was not damaged during shipping. I cut the box open with my scissors. This was a little bit easier than my daylight set that I bought. Inside we find the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter V2 box itself. It is still in perfect condition, so the dent in the packaging was nothing to worry about. Let's see what we can find on the box itself. On the back we find the features. Let's see what's included in the package. We have the Parrot Teleprompter itself, then 13 different mounting rings from 37mm until 82mm, so you can mount a lot of different lenses to the teleprompter. There's also a remote and a cleaning kit. And now it's time to open the box and see what we've got. First of all, we have a warranty card. Then we also have a quick start guide, but there is unfortunately no information how to connect the remote with your smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth. I had to look it up on YouTube to know how it was done. And then we also have a cleaning kit with some anti-static cloth to clean the glass from the teleprompter. Of course, as mentioned in my intro, there is also a remote control which makes it very easy to, for example, control the speed of the scrolling or maybe just pause the teleprompter. There is a bit of a clicking sound when you press the buttons, but if you use the top of your thumb, it is not as noticeable. We also have 13 mounting rings. They are made from a strong metal, so you can safely mount it on your lens. And last but certainly not least, we have the teleprompter itself. It is made from a strong plastic, but it is always best to be careful not to break it. The front is protected with a plastic cover, which you can also use to protect the glass after you have finished recording. You will also have less dust on the glass when you put this cover on. On the side of the teleprompter we can see on both sides the logo from Padcaster. And that's about it. Very easy to use for a small vlogger like me. So as you can see, it is a very simple solution for your vlogging needs. If you have problems with stumbling over your own words, like I always do when I need to improvise, this is the perfect solution for you. You can write your text before recording your actual vlog. You can also rehearse your text a little bit, so when you are using the teleprompter, you will talk very smoothly. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon if you want to receive notifications. Leave a comment down below or ask a question and I will respond as fast as possible. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!